Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Paycom salary payments to bank account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your Paycom salary payments to your bank account, log into your Paycom account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the payroll section on the dashboard. In the payroll section, look for the option labeled Pay Stubs. Click on Pay Stubs to view your payment history. Select the pay stub for the salary payment you wish to withdraw. After selecting the pay stub, locate the option for Withdraw Funds. Click on Withdraw Funds to initiate the transfer process. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, ensuring it aligns with your available balance. Next, you will need to select your linked bank account for the transfer. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Follow the prompts to add your bank account, providing all necessary details. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Withdraw Funds section. Double-check the amount and ensure all information is correct before proceeding. Confirm the withdrawal request by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal has been processed. Allow some time for the funds to transfer to your bank account, as this may vary. Check your bank account regularly to see when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to Paycom support for assistance. Your withdrawal process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.